In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Lovable AI project in seconds. We'll move quickly, but I'll explain each click so you feel confident and avoid mistakes. Deleting a project is permanent, so make sure you've saved anything you might need before you begin. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Any modern browser works. In the search bar, type the word Lovable and press Enter. In the results, look for the official Lovable site at lovable.dev and click it. This takes you to the Lovable homepage and then into your dashboard, where you can manage your projects. Once you're on the site, scroll down to find the section that shows your recent projects. Locate the project you want to remove. Click directly on your project to open its overview. This makes sure you're looking at the right one before you delete it. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct project by glancing at the name and any identifying details shown on the page. Next, find the three-dot menu next to the project. This icon is commonly used for more actions. Click it to reveal the options for that project. From the menu, choose Delete. Lovable will now prompt you with a confirmation step, which is designed to prevent accidental deletion. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Continue to proceed. You'll see a final safeguard asking you to verify the deletion by entering the project's exact name. Carefully copy the project name as it appears and paste it into the provided field. Be precise here. Matching the capitalization and spacing matters, and extra spaces can cause the confirmation to fail. This extra step is your last chance to pause if you selected the wrong project. With the name entered correctly, click Delete Project. Lovable will process the request and remove the project permanently. You should see the project disappear from your list, confirming it's gone. If it doesn't vanish right away, refresh the page, and it should update. That's it. You opened the Lovable site, navigated to your recent projects, used the three-dot menu to choose Delete, confirmed by continuing, typed the exact project name, and completed the deletion. As a final tip, always double-check you're deleting the correct project, especially if you have multiple with similar names. And if you only need to clean up your list temporarily, consider alternatives like renaming or reorganizing before you resort to deletion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you delete your Lovable AI project quickly and safely.